Hapdeng ka jingiphuh iphieng ki Samla pule jong ka Ri-Bhoi College hapoh kalama jong ka Ri-Bhoi College Student Union hynnin ka sngi kila pynkut no ïaka taiew lehkmen jong ki Samla lani ka college week hadien bagi Samla pule katei ka college kila yok ban shim bynta shitrhem haki jingïakop bapher baroh shitaiew lynter. ïaka ni taiew lehkmen jong ki Samla pule ka Ri-Bhoi College lawan ban penhap pardano du Bah Mayralborn Syiem MLA ka Nongpoh Constituency kum ukong san haka jing don lang uba SO ling score Vice President Governing Body kum usembut kong san EC Benny Principal ka Ri-Bhoi College kong WK Bla Principal Alpha English Higher Secondary School Bah R Makdoh kinong hikai ka Ri-Bhoi College ki Samla pule lembat kiwei Lapan wairu ikatei ka college week jong ka Ri-Bhoi College da ka jingïakop Miss but Mr. Ri-Bhoi College bala shim bynta shitrhem ru de ki Samla pule jong katei ka college na du ki kentei bat shinrang bat hakatei ka jingïakop ka Samla Divya Tado kala syapun kum ka Miss Ri-Bhoi College bat usamla Pynsuklang Sohtun Kum Mr. Ri-Bhoi College.
some soft background music. Okay, I can hear some correct ones. Are you ready to go? Going to the top.
All the faculty members who are here right from the beginning of this college, who are there till now, and there are members who have been associated with this college who have passed away also, but their contribution is the one that we should not forget. Friends and students, when we talk about College Week, it is a time of joy, it is a time of happiness, it is a time of sharing ideas, it is a time of different activities that we are taking part.